Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Ibrahim. We're back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, today we're having the BoomBox 3, which is really nice product. And we're gonna just unveil it and unbox it because I know a lot of you guys are pumped and you want to just see what's packed with the BoomBox 3, which is gonna be really cool. Now, enough of me talking, let us just get started with unboxing this product of today. Guys, through the product, it's really nice and it's brand new and it's sealed. And another kind of stuff before we unbox it, the place where you can get it at Gadgetronix. You're living in Tanzania, Arusha, you can get it at Gadgetronix. Brand new product lineup, really nice one. Now let us just peel out these kind of stickers which they're here, so as we can see what's inside. So as you can see guys, we are unboxing it because somewhere here on top there is packaging which it's really good. So there's this bigger box going on, this one here which it's really bigger, very gigantic. I'm gonna keep it here. And our speaker, bigger one, I'm gonna keep it here. And what we're getting inside through all this kind of box, as you can see, we're getting a quick start guide and the charger. So this is our quick start guide in here. We're gonna see it and see what's inside. So guys, here we have it. This is our product, the BoomBox 3. It's a really nice one. Now there's a little bit difference to charging right now. We're having our power cable here, which the power cable goes throughout your electricity and goes directly throughout your speaker, which is really impressive. You see here at the back there's a port which it goes like this way, which I think this is a really good game changer for the adapter, because adapter was a little bit like a problem from, you already know, for the other kind of devices throughout the JBL Boom series. But right now we're having only this kind of cord, which is really impressive. Another kind of stuff on this side, we're having the port for USB, which is just for charging your phone, it's not for the flash drive. And we're having the aux port in here, which is really good. So yeah guys, so guys, right now we're doing a music testing because a lot of you guys want us to hear what's so special about it, because the BoomBox 3 has a really different outlook compared to the BoomBox 2 and other BoomBox first generation. Now, but this one, it's really unique. I really like the design, to be honest. I really love it. It's looking really awesome. The way they kept it at the back, the rubber, is like the Charge New Version series. They rebrand the whole layout of the speaker. But what's so special about it? Let's see, or let's hear on the music side what's so goody. So yeah. Whoa. Man, this is crazy. Man, this is awesome. The speaker is really good. The sound which it has, it's epic. It's like blowing out the walls, you know what I mean? It's really perfect. And it's dope, man. I'm just speechless the way it is. You can hear even the bump. My music man, can you play it a little bit? That's dope. So guys, this is the BoomBox 3 and it's really packed with bunch of features which they're really awesome. I hope you heard the sound of the music, which is really stunning, and the rebrand of it looking really awesome, really dope. And that's what's up guys. Up to on the next one, it's your boy here, Abdurrahim13. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. It's really awesome. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Are you gonna grab this kind of bad boy? You're living in Arusha, you can get it at Gadgetronix, the place to be, the home of tech. You already know what I'm saying, and it's really good. And this, it's what I'm calling it, sound. So yeah.